Hello, this is San Diego personal injury attorney Mark Blane, and I wanted to talk briefly about California drunk driving car accidents and what you can do in terms of recovery in those types of cases. I had a question the other day. I had a client ask me about what other recoveries they can get because the other party was drunk. And there's some damages that you can go after beyond what the normal damages for pain and suffering, those negligent damages. You can actually go after what's called punitive damages, which are exemplatory damages to make an example of the defendant for choosing to be irresponsible enough to get intoxicated and get behind the wheel of a car and cause an accident. So these damages are on top of the normal pain and suffering damages that you would get in a car accident. And what I do as a strategy is I follow the at-fault party, the drunk driver, in criminal court. And we monitor what they plead, if they plead guilty to the charges, or if they go to trial and what the verdict comes back to. And then the other thing we'll do is if there's a sentencing hearing, I'll encourage, depending on the injuries, I'll encourage my client to go to the sentencing hearing to do a brief interview with the judge in open court to tell the judge about the injuries so the judge can weigh his or her decision as to the sentencing for the guilty verdict or the plead to being guilty for the drunk driving charge. So that's what I do in my law office, and it's got to be documented correctly because it's important to the case. It's another value that will not be negotiated by the insurance company unless the attorney brings it up in the negotiations. And you can find out more information on this at my website. I have a free ebook called The Ultimate California Drunk Driving Accident Legal Survival Book. It answers everything that we talked about in this video and more, a lot more details, and it's a great resource for anyone looking for information, looking to make an informed decision. It talks about whether or not you even need a lawyer for a drunk driving case. It talks about what kind of lawyer to choose, how to choose one, the criminal process, how the state of California assists accident victims of a crime, which is a drunk driving accident. It talks about all that, and you can get it for free. It's free for California residents and anyone injured in California. So if you have a question, you want to pick up the phone and give me a call, please do so. I answer questions like this all the time. Thank you for joining me. Have yourself a wonderful day, and if you need anything else, I'll be here at your disposal. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.